Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get your blender and put in 1 cup of whole milk, 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream, 2 tablespoons of mixed chopped nuts, and 3 tablespoons, or around 1/3 of a cup, of marshmallows. Just blend this on high until it's smooth-delicious. Or if you've got this awesome blend deck, press 2. Get your blender and put in 1 cup of whole milk, 4 large strawberries, and 1 generous scoop of chocolate ice cream. Now blend this for about 30 seconds on high, or if you've got this awesome blend deck, press 2. And just garnish with a strawberry.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.